The Food Service Exchange presents.
Dough mixed. Normally what I would do is I would start dividing and weighing the balls. And what typical operators do, they'll take a piece, they'll look for weight, this would be a 12-ounce ball, and then they're going to manually round it. Typically, any good pizza joint has their own dough room, their own special pizza dough guy or gal hiding in the back, spending hours and hours and hours rounding and portioning dough. Daily, every day. What I'm going to show you is a new piece of equipment called divider, rounder, that makes all of this in one simple step. So I'm going to make 14 12-ounce balls. So I need roughly 10 pounds of dough divided by 14 to give me roughly a 12-ounce dough ball. Got my 10 pounds. One thing I'm going to want to do, I give this a little bit of oil. As I'm smashing the dough, I can have another pan of balls ready to go. I get with the unit, I get 2 trays. So then I'm rounding, cutting, dividing, all in one fluid step. The whole system is designed to do multiple runs of dough, divide, round. Is a product from Univex called the Sprizza. What this is a pizza dough press, but what it's using is a mechanical finger-like action to actually press the dough outwards and spin it without using heat. Give a quick example. Is now I have more of a hand tossed, and what you typically do is you form this 90% of the way, and then you finish